Motion sensors acting up and making your heating or cooling system run nonstop is seriously annoying and can mess with your energy bills big time. So, if your motion sensors are picking up false occupancy and kicking your HVAC into overdrive, first thing, check where your sensors are placed. Sometimes they catch movement from pets, like your dog or cat walking by, and think someone's home. Try moving the sensor away from places where pets hang out or windows where sunlight can cause weird shadows. Also, clean the sensors because dust or spider webs can make them misread signals. Another tip is to adjust the sensitivity settings if your system lets you turn it down so it ignores small movements. If you've got ceiling fans on near the sensors, those blades moving can trick them too, so maybe switch those fans off or relocate the sensors. And don't forget to check for any HVAC system software or firmware updates that could fix bugs related to occupancy detection. Lastly, if all else fails, consider upgrading to a smarter sensor that can better tell the difference between actual people and random motion. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with motion sensor HVAC systems is putting sensors where there's too much traffic from pets or even curtains that flutter in the breeze. Easy fix is just relocating those sensors to less busy spots. Another common problem is ignoring the sensor's sensitivity settings. Cranking it too high means your system thinks it's party time all day long, so dial it back a bit. And a third issue is not cleaning or maintaining the sensors regularly. Dust buildup can totally mess with how well they work, so give them a wipe now and then to keep things running smooth. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with local contractors who actually know their stuff and can help fix these sensor headaches fast. It also gives contractors a solid way to find new jobs without all the usual hassle, so everyone wins.